Alright guys, here we are with another tutorial. I'm sure it has happened to you that you had like a really busy day, you know, work, the kids, after school activities, catching up with the chores around the house, and it's almost dinner time and you don't know what to cook. You didn't go to the store, you don't have anything, or that's what you think, you don't have anything. It's like, oh my god, what am I gonna cook? So you end up ordering something really crappy, or maybe find like a box of mac and cheese and throw it in the microwave. That's disgusting. So that's what happened to me today. I was supposed to go to the store to buy some grocery because I didn't have a lot of food at home and I just didn't feel like. So I went home, I was like, oh, what am I gonna cook today? I was like, well, let's see what's going on. So I opened up the fridge and the freezer, and I found 2 pieces of chicken thighs in the freezer that I was like, oh, eventually I'm gonna have to cook this stuff. So I took them out and I let them thaw out. You know, you put it like in a Ziploc. Then in the fridge there was a bottle of tomato sauce, a third of a bottle in, and it's been sitting in the fridge for a few days now, and I'm like, I think I should cook this sauce. Then I realized I had 2 onions and 1 onion was about to go bad, so I had a couple of cloves of garlic, of roasted garlic left from the other day, some more pesto that I made the other day, and then in the garden I got some herbs. There's sage and thyme. I always have my spices. I like to use turmeric everywhere, and I had some cayenne pepper. I'm like, okay, so chicken, onion, thyme, sage, cayenne pepper, all my spices, tomato sauce. I'm sure I can do something with this. And it's like, okay, let's combine all these things together and see what happens. And so I did. And let's see what it turned out. Okay guys, so here we have the ingredients. These are the chicken thighs that I had in the freezer this morning. Then I went outside in the garden and I picked up some herbs. So we have thyme and sage, which I love, roasted garlic, onion. You see, I told you this onion was going to see this part, so I'll probably remove this part and use the rest of the onion. Then I had this bottle of tomato, it's strained tomato sauce that there was like about like a third in it, and here it is. So I'm gonna use the tomato, the pesto from the other day, my spices. We got turmeric and cayenne pepper, and of course my black pepper, salt, olive oil, and then I'll probably cook some rice on the side. So I'm gonna remove this part here, which is the bad part. I'm gonna throw it away. I'm gonna put some olive oil on this frying pan. at this point, we're gonna add the chicken back into the pan. So this is cooking. Let's take care of the spices. Here we already have black pepper. I'm gonna add some turmeric, about this much, and a little bit of cayenne pepper because I like it spicy. So turmeric, cayenne pepper, about this much. Totally optional. So let's mix it up together. So this is gonna go in at the very end. Now here we have sage and thyme. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these herbs inside this little bag. Okay, so here we are. Here's the chicken. Got a little bit brown in here. That's okay, it's gonna make it taste even better. Let's add our sauce. Alright girls, so the chicken is cooking. I'm also cooking some white rice, and I'm gonna wait another 20-25 minutes, and then it's gonna be ready to be served. Everything is ready to go. So let's start with a little bit of rice. We're gonna put a piece of chicken. So this is a mix of turmeric, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. And of course, my wonderful pesto. So I'm ready to go. I'm really hungry. Oh my god. This is so freaking good. Done. So that was really good. It was delicious. I loved the spices. I could feel the cayenne pepper and the turmeric. Everything blended really well together. I just loved it. All right, guys. So the chicken was really good. I have some leftover here. There's another piece of chicken thigh, and I have some rice left over. So that's that's another meal. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're gonna try it. And if you do make it, let me know how it comes out and if you like it. All right, well, I'm gonna talk to you later, and we'll make another tutorial. I'm kind of enjoying making all these tutorials.